I promise you will be the boss at home and will listen to you as much as possible. I vow not just to grow old together, but to grow together. You are my best friend and have filled my life with joy and laughter with your silliness, innocence, and most importantly, your heart of gold. You have made me a better person with your ability to see the good in everyone. I promise to respect you and cherish you as an equal, to laugh with you in good times and struggle alongside you in bad times. I promise to love and care for you, and I'll try in every way to be worthy of your love. As I've given you my hand to hold, so I give you my life to keep.
It is so awkward to call you 남편, but I'll get used to it, just like how we started with 오빠 and 자기야. Ever since we have been together, you have heard the ugliest words: ugly, fat, old, bold. But thankfully, you have a big heart and you have tolerated everything. You often say that you are worse than slave to become my personal taxi driver, Zingber. Bring me coffee in the morning, water like 1,000 times, as I'm a water buffalo, and running errands for me. Well, now you are officially hired as an unpaid employee by me. Thank you for your perseverance and for not giving up so that I have the chance to be your wife. I'll use the rest of my lifetime to learn how to be a good wife. Everyone says that you're lucky to have met me, but they don't know that I am the lucky one. You have made me known that being loved and being protected is actually such a wonderful thing. Loved you yesterday, love you still. Always will. Always have. Always will.